morning to all of you. I extend a warm welcome to all of you to the conference. Mrs.V.R.Iyer, Member Finance and Investment, IRDAI, Mr. Ashwani Kumar, CMD, Dena Bank and Vice President of IIBF, members of Governing Council, the speakers of different sessions in the conference, distinguished delegates from APABI, Africa and Middle East countries, members of IIBF, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor for IIBF to host the Asia Pacific Association of Banking Institutes International Conference 2015 in New Delhi. We have with us Mr. Ashwani Kumar, CMD Dena Bank and Vice President of IIBF, to preside over this inaugural session and deliver the President's address. I welcome you, sir, and request you to preside over the session. The Governing Council of IIBF had constituted a steering committee for guiding the Institute to organize this conference. Mrs.V.R.Iyer, former CMD of Bank of India and currently member Finance and Investment IRDAI, spearheaded the committee and had guided the Institute. Today, in this inaugural session, Mrs. V.R.Iyer is with us to give her special address. I heartily welcome you, madam, to this conference. I also welcome Mr. Christopher Harvey, Managing Director and Global Industry Leader of Financial Services, Deloitte, Hong Kong, who will be delivering 32nd Sir Purushottam Das Thakur Das Memorial Lecture this evening. For this conference, we have invited many of our fellow institutes in Africa and Middle East, in addition to APABI members. The Asia Pacific Association of Banking Institutes is an informal association of banking institutes of Asia Pacific region. Currently, there are 18 member institutes in APABI. The APABI conference, along with this executive meeting, is organized by one of the APABI member institutes on a rotation basis. The institute for holding APABI and the chairmanship of APABI for a period of 2 years is decided in the APABI meeting. During the 2-year period, the member institute holding the chairmanship hosts the APABI meetings and banking conferences once in a year. IIBF had organized the APABI International Conference 2014 in Mumbai on the theme Talent Management in Banks, and it was well attended by bankers and international delegates. I am happy that IIBF is hosting the APABI Conference 2015 on the theme New Paradigms in Banking. Considering the rapid transformations being witnessed in the banking and finance space, the APABI Steering Committee, headed by Mrs. V.R.Iyer, aptly chose the theme for this international conference. The conference is designed with an inaugural session followed by 3 consecutive panel sessions. Each panel discussion will commence with a brief theme presentation and will set the floor for the panel discussion. For the purpose of this conference, the Institute had asked the feedback on issues related to the theme of the session from banks in India. The theme presentation includes the feedback received from banks. After the brief theme presentation, the chairman of the session will initiate the discussion with his panel members by raising the issues concerned on the topic. The panel may also field a few questions from the participants. At the end, the chairman will give his concluding remarks. The topics to be discussed in these 3 sessions are new paradigms in banking, inclusive banking experiences, and payment systems evolving paradigms, respectively. The topics for each panel discussion were chosen with care after considering its contemporaneous and its importance in today's context. Banking of yore is completely different from banking as of today, and banking in future will be different from how banking is being performed now. This has happened due to the paradigm shifts which have been witnessed. Inclusive banking is on a mission-critical mode. The second panel will therefore discuss myriad issues on the subject and the way forward. The third panel will deliberate on the changes which have happened in the payment space, growth in digital payments, challenges being faced by the banks, and the opportunities available to different institutions. The APABI Conference 2015 will be followed by 32nd Sir Purushottam Das Thakur Das Memorial Lecture. The topic of the lecture is the future of financial services, how disruptive innovations are reshaping the way financial services are structured, provisioned, and consumed. This is in tune with the theme of the conference. So I once again welcome all of you to this conference. Thank you very much.